Your nervous system is always trying to keep you safe. But when it gets stuck in survival mode, it can cause stress, fatigue, and emotional overwhelm. If you're constantly feeling off and you don't know why, your nervous system might be dysregulated. Not sure if this is you? Let's play a game. Put a finger down for each one of these things that you have personally experienced. You feel anxious, restless, or like your mind won't stop racing. You get overwhelmed easily. Loud noises, bright lights, or busy places feel like too much. You feel physically tense all the time, jaw clenching, tight shoulders, a knot in your stomach. You randomly shut down or go numb. Your brain goes blank and everything just feels too hard. You have trouble sleeping. Either your mind is too busy or you wake up feeling exhausted. You overthink everything. Small decisions feel like huge tasks. You rely on caffeine or sugar to function because your energy keeps crashing. You're more reactive than usual. Snapping at people, emotional outbursts, suddenly withdrawing. You're scrolling endlessly but not actually enjoying it. How many fingers are you still holding up? Any? Change of location. My phone died. I just finished writing an ebook that is all about nervous system regulation called The Nervous System Survival Kit. It's completely free. Comment survival kit and I will send it to you today.